Your next production plan could be built on outdated data and cost you millions. Let's break down reactive versus predictive forecasting and see which one silently drains your profits. Many manufacturing CIOs still rely on reactive forecasting, looking at last month's sales or static spreadsheets. The result? Stockouts that delay shipments. Overstock that ties up cash. Missed market shifts that competitors exploit. Every inaccurate forecast means wasted resources and lost revenue. If suppose a sudden spike in demand hits, but your data is 2 weeks old, you scramble for raw materials, pay rush fees, and still miss delivery dates. Customers get frustrated, costs climb, and leadership wants answers. All because you were planning yesterday's game with yesterday's playbook. Predictive forecasting flips the script. By blending real-time sales data and market trends, it forecasts demand with precision. Machine learning models adjust instantly when conditions change, so you stay ahead, never behind. At AddendAnalytics, we build AI-powered powerBI dashboards that connect every data source and deliver live, predictive forecasts. Clients cut stockouts by 30% and free up working capital within weeks. Ready to move from reactive to predictive? Schedule a strategy session today and stop letting bad forecasts steal your profit. Click the link in the description.